The place where the muscle originates is called the proximal attachment site, and the place where the muscle inserts is called the distal attachment site. Generally, the proximal attachment site is shown in red and the distal attachment site is shown in blue. Many muscles are involved in pelvic nutation. Among them, the iliopsoas muscle formed by the psoas major and iliacus muscles, the obturator externus muscle, and the quadratus femoris muscle play a major role. Let's take a look at each muscle. The psoas major muscle originates from the lumbar vertebrae and inserts into the proximal end of the femur. The iliacus muscle originates from the ilium and inserts into the proximal end of the femur. The large opening at the lower part of hip bone is called the obturator foramen, and it is enclosed by the obturator membrane. The obturator externus muscle originates from the anterior bony margins of the obturator foramen and the external surface of the obturator membrane. And it inserts into the proximal end of the femur. The quadratus femoris muscle originates from the ischial tuberosity and inserts into the proximal end of the femur. When performing pelvic nutation exercise, contract the muscles involved in pelvic nutation in the direction from the proximal to the distal attachment sites. The distal attachment sites of the iliopsoas, obturator externus, and quadratus femoris muscles are all located at the proximal end of the femur. Therefore, when performing pelvic nutation exercise, contract these muscles in the direction from their proximal attachment sites to the proximal ends of both femurs. Let's look at the roles of the muscles involved in pelvic nutation. The psoas major muscles pull the lumbar vertebrae forward and downward. The iliacus muscles pull the upper parts of both hip bones forward and inward. The obturator externus muscles pull the lower parts of both hip bones backward and outward. The quadratus femoris muscles pull both ischial tuberosities outward. You are viewing the animation of the pelvic nutation. During pelvic nutation, the diameter of the pelvic inlet decreases and the diameter of the pelvic outlet increases as the pelvis tilts forward.